Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your account and connection because most experience unavailable errors stem from misidentification or network issues. First, sign out and sign back into the exact account tied to the service. This forces a fresh authentication. Once done, toggle Wi-Fi and try cellular if available to rule out route problems. Then close the app and clear its cache or temporary files. This removes stale state. These steps reset identity and transport layers, so subsequent checks reveal deeper causes. Next, investigate service and permission factors because the platform or access rights often block the experience. Check the service status or in-app notifications for outages. If the backend is down, you wait. Make sure the app has required permissions like location, microphone, or storage. Lack of permission can return a generic unavailable message. Then update the app and your OS to the latest stable builds. Version mismatches cause API errors. If all pass, you've eliminated third-party and client compatibility causes. Finally, perform a clean reinstall and escalate with evidence, since persistent issues need fresh installs or vendor help. Uninstall the app, reboot the device, then reinstall and reconfigure the account. This rebuilds local state and certificates. If the problem persists, gather logs, screenshots, timestamps, and the exact error text to send to support. Detailed data speeds resolution. If support stalls, try the service on an alternate device or browser to verify whether the problem is account, device, or network specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.